nakesa mwananga
Nakesa.
Ono kumwananga okupapa nakesa mwananga
Siyabonga.
nakesa mwananga okupapa
Nakesa baba.
papa
Nakesa baba.
ayi mwananga
Yeah, presents for you.
Babu papeni ngathi bangihamba ngathola ama stationery awu 2000 kanye nama ecathulo zi 1000 and then because ngirepresenta the whole country I decided ukuthi as a president of the Pinga Nation not be given to only abantu bakwaZulu and also encouraged by my sister here Tebogo Mahlayela and siyacela baba bapeni as a leader esimhloniphayo thina kakhulu musically culturally and ngayo yonke indlela sicela uthathe nazo icathulo baba uhambe nazo esigabeni ukuthi baba uphe noma ngabe umuphi umndeni
aye mwananga
Aye.
avule ngibone phela ngoze ngifakele amabhomu amvule ngibone oh wow how many
Yeah, ukuthi babone.
zingakana zingaki
mhlawumbe uzuba
17.
oh 17
Calculator.
yeah, my box is 17 by 17 shooting almost 40
okay
yes
no
40 students.
ngiyabonga nakhensa n'wina ntamnika kwele Giyani yi huma kwala ka Mabhinga namuntlha a hi hlangana ku ri ku va na ntwanano wa rixaka South Africa hinkwayo
Yeah.
se na khensa info na khensa n'wananga
nakhe
ono ku n'wananga ku papa na khensa n'wananga
siyabonga
na khensa n'wananga ku papa
nakhe
Nakesa baba.
Papa.
Nakesa baba.
ayi n'wananga leswi swi huma namuntlha ku ri ta mi nyika kwale makaya namuntlha hi vanhu van'we we are one nyimpi ya hina hinkwenu the fight is for all of us the peace is inside of us ni vulavula hi xilungu xa broken because I grow broken and then
I feel better
yeah
I
Not your mother's
we
taste
understand.
bud.
you
Yeah.
understand
Yeah.
it's a communication
Yes.
I speak poor English because I grow poor
And it's not your
I'm
language.
not the English.
Not your language.
He's saying I'm a skepela.
Yes.
I'm trying to make them to understand. Loko no va vula Xitsonga xanga xaka hina va nge ni twi hinkwavo. Se ni vula ku ri today I'm so happy. I believe i muntu mani join lapha i
Being the
Pinga Nation
izwa ukuthi ukhuluma isishangani ningamshayi. Uyima nami. Uwenu.
Yeah.
Because once you march you have all the nation. All the language. Yeah, ngiyabonga. Nkese sinene, nkese sinene. Everything is aye. Everything is aye.
Sizokukesha sinene.
Hayi wena yathukana.
mana lezicathulo ziye village zingaphelele ingane zakhe eziwu-32
Zinomizi yazo. Yeah, only the two. The youngest 15 and 17.
but soon and very soon
Umsebenzi wami lowakunikela.
please invite us please invite us we want to come and
No, nakhensa swinene, nakhensa. Hey, I'm not singing here. Take the
nakhe
mic.
papa
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yo,
Nakhensa
you make
baba.
my day.
Nakhensa
Inendlela
baba.
siku. So shena box sihlala kwala. Siya Giyani.
yebo sihamba nakho konke phela baba
You can see.
and then when you invite us we come with more and please don't change
No.
i-attitude yakho baba and the way you are in parliament we also follow you and siyayibona zonke into zenzayo nendlela ukhuluma ngayo nendlela okumele is because when you come they think the committee is here the only they want is to laugh like this stupid because Malema don't always laugh at you and try to make you
Abanye abantu abathuki. Mangithuka wazi kusasa uzongena kuphi. But what I want to say ngiyabonga nakhensa. Nikhensa swinene. Hinkwaswo leswi endleka kulani. Nakhensa ikubuyisa South Africa yiba xuluxiwe.
siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga
Lokho umsebenzi wami is what I do.
thank you
I believe today ngoba sengila siyakhuluma
Yes.
bazobuya endleleni
Yes.
ngoba to tell you the
Bona
truth
bongulayele phela baba
ngoba bathi tamati selabona le one libonisa yonke waba rotten tomatoes manje you are a fresh tomatoes today
wethu wayigete fresh water
kwasuka imbungulu le-one encolisa zonke imbungulu
Yeah.
lo mfana mara namhla zishayinekile ziyaphila zonke
Yes.
thina siyahlonipha eke lento manilo afowethu
Iyamgaraba, bese
nathi
ukhuluma
zobakhona
makabe-
itabakhona kamwini
Angidaba khona ke
mani
nami
yake
nami
lapha
ngingangwena.
ngumlungulayela
Nami ngizawukhensa khona lapho.
ngizokwenza imangela la
Nami ngizawukhensa khona lapho.
I can just Shunel.
okay Shinene
Siyabonga.
Can you take more pictures?
You guys can take
Take
pictures.
more pictures with the shoes, Monday.
Mina angifuni
Ukhona,
ukuthatha
ukhona.
ama pictures kakhulu ney'ntombi ezinhle ngoba vele kube ngathi yami.